How many of you guys have been in this situation before? Do you guys love the e-commerce shipping experience? Not a single hand in the air. Okay. So you're not alone. 50% of e-commerce buyers actually claim that they have abandoned a cart because of shipping-related problems. And that's like a $2 trillion problem for merchants per year. Huge problem. It's a bigger problem than payments today. And let's just talk about the big pink elephant in the room first, Amazon. Amazon has been driving loyalty through delivery for the past 10 years. They're basically untouchable in this area, and they have over 60 million Americans on subscription on the Amazon Prime model. They just keep innovating in this space. And just a couple of weeks ago, as you know, they bought themselves 450 new locations. Probably these locations are going to be logistics locations that will push products even closer to the customer. But what has the Amazon-esque experience taught us about you guys as consumers? You guys want very frictionless experiences on when you're shopping. You want convenient fulfillment. And you want memorable experiences, like, for example, the Amazon Dash button. You just push a button, you get the washing detergent next day, right? And now Alexa. So we have thought much about how you consumers actually look at shipping, and we've come up with this kind of model that there's something you want now, and you're going to be wanting something soon, and you're going to be wanting something very convenient way. So what does convenience mean? It's like different things to different people. We thought about that very hard and come up with, again, a little bit model around this. And convenience means predictability for you when you're shopping. And it means transparency throughout the process. Like when you're getting stuff delivered, we tell you what's happening. And the flexibility to change shipping when stuff is getting closer to you. And this is what these guys have been innovating, right? So we have Delivery Hero out of Berlin that just is an amazing company that has been innovating in the space. They deliver on the 3 promises. They can deliver now, it's predictable, it's transparent, it's flexible. But when you shop online, for the most part, this is what you guys get, right? Why do e-commerce merchants not understand that Delivery Hero is the experience you want? This is what you get. And they also align themselves with national shippers that are really bad at delivering the last mile. They basically try to deliver between 9 and 3 when you're not at home. Then you have to go to some sorting terminal. How many of you have been in a sorting terminal because of a parcel? Okay, so I've been there a couple of times myself. That's a very normal thing when you're shopping online. That experience does not work, and that's where we come in. So Shipwallet is a platform that helps merchants personalize shipping for each transaction and automate that for the merchant. So, but the thing is, we're not a transportation platform. We're a consumer convenience platform. We deliver convenience. So we do that by creating a software that you can put on your website that interfaces with the customer and helps you find out which are the best shipping options for each transaction through an automation platform for the merchant all the way to the last mile. So this is how we do it. It's going to be a little bit hard to see, but I will try to explain. This is the biggest bookstore in Sweden. We're from Sweden, by the way. Biggest online bookstore in Sweden. They have a module in the checkout which predicts the best shipping option based on what you have in the cart and how you've been ordering before. In the next step, if you want to change your shipping option, we have a wide variety of shipping options under the hood where you can select from pickup locations, boxes, home delivery, everything. Underneath, there is an algorithm with logic that predicts the best shipping option for each transaction that removes decision fatigue, increases conversion. We've done A/B tests. Basically, all the A/B tests show that we increase conversion by 10% in checkout. We're integratable with payment service providers. So here is Klarna, one of the biggest payment service providers in the Nordics and even in Germany, I guess. Our solution, our intelligent solution, is inside their checkout. And behind the scenes, we have a back office system that helps the merchant coordinate, print and book all the transportation just to make sure that they can fulfill on that customer promise. And I'm happy to announce that in March this year, we started the production or the development of a new component in our system, which is basically a platform that helps any merchant turn their retail location into a click and collect hub, but also a cross-docking hub to last mile services. So this is the way we can now introduce bike messengers, taxi companies, eventually Delivery Hero and all these guys that I put there. They're just cool logos. We don't have them as partners yet, but hopefully. We think that by introducing the last mile in the checkout, we can really create a very convenient platform for merchants and consumers. We have some of the top merchants in Sweden, 3 of the top pharmacies in Sweden already on the platform. Adlib is the 2nd biggest merchant in Sweden. Footway, the largest Nordic footwear dealer in Sweden. Campadre, the biggest flash sales dealer in Sweden. So everything happened during 20 months. This company is only 20 months so far. We have 10% of Swedish transactions already. Hard goods transactions online. So this is our vision. We want to make an end-to-end platform for merchants, all the way from how it's presented in their checkouts, website, through the automation, all the way through the last mile hubs. And that's how we sync e-commerce with your guys' lives. Thank you.